Kitchen's actually the nicest part of the house. You got tile floor, cabinets are intact. I mean, you slap some paint on it and then you put some hardware.
Right.
Literally a $5,000 patch job, maybe a little bit of change on top of it, you know, but paint, carpet.
Little repair here and there. A couple boards were rotted out pretty bad, so we had to replace those, and we got those in place. On the inside, did a little bit of cosmetic facelift. The ceiling was really terrible. It was stained really bad, so we went ahead and shot a primer-based white to even out all the colors on that. We picked a neutral color for the walls, which is kind of a standard color for most places, the agreeable gray. And we had to replace some of the door trim. It was all pulled off on some of the closets. There was a door that was tore out. We replaced the door, and then we get some new carpet, and that'll help bring that out a little bit too. The cabinets needed a little bit of work and a fresh coat of paint. A few more touches to do on the drawers on those, but they're in a lot better shape now. They're clean. They're not stained. They don't have grease from the stove.
Kitchen's actually the nicest part of the house. You got tile floor, cabinets are intact. I mean, you slap some paint on it and then you put some hardware.
Right.
It's crazy.
Yeah, you know, we're lucky because part of the stuff that was in the house, these bottom drawers, there was a cabinet. They took the doors off the cabinet, and it just so happened that they were very close matched to the same type of design. So when they murdered this cabinet under the sink, they've actually given us the ability to repair that and put some new doors on it and close that gap. They just happen to be wide enough that they'll work perfectly for it.
Literally a $5,000 patch job, maybe a little bit of change on top of it, you know, but paint, carpet, and you're good to go. You know, a couple of days of spraying the house, spray the inside, get it done quick. We're doing carpet, so we don't have to worry about the floors or taping anything up. But I mean, it's crazy what a few days of work can really do.
Punched several holes in the walls, and I had to patch those, but they're patched up. And got a little bit more sanding to do, and we can finish painting that and hang the mirror back up. Got a new vanity to go in. The bathroom itself is lights up in it. Just a little bit of patchwork on the walls.
How's our plumbing in here?
I don't like it.
No.
If I had done the plumbing, I'd have brought the plumbing up to the wall.